In this video, you will learn how to set up the M1 control to send reports to the central station over IP using the M1x Ep Ethernet interface. The M1x Ep supports reporting to central stations with a DSC SureGuard or GEOH2000E receiver. The first step is to create a telephone entry in ElkRP. To do this, right-click on Telephones and select New Telephone from the menu. In the New Telephone IDs box, select the number of telephones to create and the first telephone ID. I'm going to create one telephone entry and it will be telephone 1. Telephone 1 will always show Always Report. We're going to give the telephone a name. I'm just going to enter CS1 here. And now you'll want to select the reporting format. Select 6 equals IP. Then be sure to select the categories of the items that you wish to report using this method. Select the areas that should report using this method. At least one area must be selected. With these settings in place, save to your database and send to the control. Next, we want to go into the communicator section and ensure that the reporting codes for the things that we want to report are enabled. Let's look at the Zone RCs page. We want to report alarms and troubles, so we can see that 01 has been entered into the pulse column for both of those categories for all of the zones. Let's also take a quick look at System RCs. Here you can set up a periodic test to be sent to the central station. You can choose the frequency in which that test is sent and also the time of day it's sent. We also need to enable the automatic test reporting code. Also, you'll find things like AC failure and low battery. We will go ahead and enable low battery trouble reporting here. Also, if you're going to be using keypad panic keys for fire, police, medical, those types of things, you'll want to enable those reporting codes, and those are found under keypad panic RCs. Please note that there is a different tab for each keypad. If you wish to enable all of the reporting codes in one category, you can right-click on Pulse and choose to set all the items to 01, and this will save you some time. Now we want to go back to telephones and go into the M1x Ep Setup, which is a button on the right side of the screen. Here we have fields to enter all the information for the central station receivers. There's a drop-down menu to select the receiver type, and you can see when you change to a different receiver type, some of the information on the screen changes. Select the receiver type that's specified by your central station and enter the information provided by them. Save this information to your computer and then click the Send button to send this information to the M1x Ep. This will require a reboot and you will be prompted to do so.